send me a DM and I'll send you a link. Pretty simple, right? So I just wanted to share this. I've just added this new cover photo on my Facebook page, and it says, DM me audit, access the free Efficiency and Experience Audit. So send me a DM with that word in it, and I'll send something back to you. Now, I'm not waiting around all day for people to DM me. I mean, I am, but I don't want to. I want to do other stuff. So I'm going to automate all of that. In fact, I already have. So let's have a look at it. I haven't decided if we're going to look at the front end or the back end first, so we'll edit it together and see what happens. But let's look at the back end. All right, here's the back end. So this is in GoHighLevel or HighLevel, and we have the Facebook Messenger audit auto reply. It's a tongue twister. So we have a trigger. This is what starts off the workflow. This trigger is an incoming from Facebook Messenger. The customer's replied. The reply channel is Facebook Messenger, and it contains the phrase audit, or maybe even audit, if they want to yell at me. So I'll save this now that I've changed it. I'm not sure if it's case sensitive, honestly. I'll have to test that out. What happens once they do that, Facebook Interactive Messenger kicks in and it replies to them. And it says, hey, contact first name. So you wanted to check out the Efficiency and Experience Audit. Is that right? Because I don't want to just send them the link straight away. I want to make sure they're engaged. This might filter out some spammers, but also anyone that's not sure. Give them that option. I've got some buttons here. You can see them over here as well. But the buttons are yes, please, not for me, thanks. And then there's a 1 minute wait for it to time out. So if they say yes straight away, it sends them the link. Very easy, fantastic. Here's the link, quiz.upinsights.com.au/efficiency experience audit. That'll take them right there. Let me know how you go. If they say no, it's all right. It's not ideal, but that's all good. If you want to check it out later, feel free to hit me up. Okay, and we have a third option, which is the default timeout. So default timeout is 1 minute. So after 1 minute, if they haven't replied at all, it goes to this next step, Facebook Interactive Messenger, and it's just a follow-up there. So after this first message, if they haven't said anything, what do you say? I'll bet it can give you some insight on your coaching business. From there, they can say, yes, I'm interested, no, I'm good, or it can time out again after another minute. I've given them 10 minutes to respond to that one. But after 10 minutes, if nothing happens, end of story. And you can see we've got this little go-to connector down the bottom here. So instead of just writing this up again, I'm just going to send them to the same spot. It's the same reply either way. If they say yes, if they say no, it's not going to be different depending on how many follow-ups I've done. And I could keep this going in perpetuity if I want to be really persistent, and have another one down here saying, how you doing? And I might do that. I might not. We'll split test it. When in doubt, split test. So this is the entire workflow. It's fairly straightforward. It can look a little bit complicated because there's multiple options there, but really if you think about it, when you're talking to someone and you say, hey, do you want this thing? They say yes, you give them the thing. They say no, you're okay. And if they don't say anything, you say, do you want this thing? You said you wanted it. It's really as simple as that. Now we can have a look at other options for different replies, but basically this is a yes, no, ignore sort of question, as a lot of questions are. So now that we've gone through the back end here, let's test it out on the front end. All right, so you can see I'm here as myself, and I'm talking to my business page. So I want to try that free efficiency and experience audit. So let's give it a go. And you can see I've tested this already. It's not entirely fresh. Let's try and see if it's case sensitive, because I didn't put that option in. So I'll see if it figures it out. Give it a minute. Oh, it does. There we go. It's not case sensitive. Hey, Nick, so you wanted to check out the Efficiency and Experience Audit, is that right? yes, please, not for me, thanks. So that's kind of cut off a bit there. I might just change that to no thanks. It's fairly small in here. There's not much space. I could write a whole novel, but it wouldn't show up on the button. Now, I'm actually going to leave this for the moment because I want to show you the timeout function. I mean, it's a long time in YouTube land, so I might cut this bit out. And we're back. So, what do you say? I'll bet it can give you some insights into your coaching business. So they sort of ignored this one, or I ignored this. I sat here and watched and waited. But we've got the two questions again. Yes, no. I'm going to say yes. Even though I wrote the audit, it might help me. Sometimes you need to take your own advice. Yes, I'm interested. Had to click it twice there, not sure what happened, but fantastic. Here's the link. Let me know how you go, Nick. I will, Nick. Click the link. This will take me through to my quiz, or to my audit. It used to be a quiz, now it's an audit. Okay, and then as they come through, they can click the button, take that, and it is a lead magnet. It's through ScoreApp, very handy tool, highly recommend it. But as they go through the quiz, they'll answer some questions, and at the end, it will ask them to fill in their name and email address so that they can get their results. So that's it. Fully automated lead magnet there from my Facebook page. So anyone who comes across my socials and decides they want to learn about this audit, and I'll make a post about the audit itself, can just send me a DM. All right, so that's a wrap. Tools used today, Facebook, if you've heard of it, GoHighLevel, and ScoreApp. Thanks a lot. Appreciate you.